Namaste and welcome to Hindi with Bindu Udayan, where you will be getting English explanation to most of your Hindi lessons. People may have different hobbies. It could be dancing, singing, gardening, listening to music, or collecting various objects like currency, pebbles, marbles, or stamps. This story is all about a boy who took great pleasure in stamp collection. All his leisure time was devoted to the collection of stamps. He used to collect varieties of stamps, exchange it with his friends to prepare a good collection. He had made a beautiful album out of these stamps and was quite popular among his friends because of this. Then something happened. Let's know what happened. In Ticket Album by Sundara Ramaswamy. In this video, we will learn the 9th lesson from class 6th, Ticket Album, a stamp album, written by Sundara Ramaswamy. This is basically a Tamil story which has been translated into Hindi by Sumati Iyer. Sundara Ramaswamy, a great Tamil short story writer, was one of the exponents of Tamil modern literature. He was born on 30th May 1931 in Taruviya Mahadevar Koil, a village in Nagarkoil at Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. He began his literary career at the age of 20. Some of his famous novels that are translated into Hindi are Imli Puran, Hamari Teacher, and Auto Rickshaw Ke Sang Tareh Tareh Ke Rang. He died on 15th October 2005, aged 74. Jealousy is a natural emotion, like sadness or anger. It's quite natural to feel jealous about something or someone. But do you know what happens when jealousy becomes dangerous? Here is a story, Ticket Album. The story of jealousy and its consequences. कहानी टिकट एल्बम में लेखक सुंदरा रामास्वामी ने बाल मनोविज्ञान का सूक्ष्म निरीक्षण किया है। राजप्पा के माध्यम से बच्चों के मन में एक दूसरे के प्रति उत्पन्न होने वाली ईर्ष्या और पश्चाताप के भाव को दिखाया गया है। In this story, written by Sundara Ramaswamy, he brilliantly depicts the emotions of young children, their feelings of jealousy and the consequences of jealousy, guilt and repentance. Everything has been beautifully picturized in Ticket Album. टिकट एल्बम। अब राजप्पा को कोई नहीं पूछता। आजकल सब के सब नागराजन को घेरे रहते। Rajappa sensed a sudden drop in his popularity. For the past few days, everyone had been crowding around Nagarajan. नागराजन घमंडी हो गया है, राजप्पा सारे लड़कों में कहता फिरता. Rajappa tried to tell the boys that Nagarajan has become arrogant, but the boys did not agree. पर लड़के भला कहाँ उसकी बातों पर ध्यान देते. No one paid attention to Rajappa. नागराजन के मामा जी ने सिंगापुर से एक एल्बम भिजवाया था, वह लड़कों को दिखाया करता. Nagarajan's uncle had gifted him an album from Singapore, and this was the reason for his popularity. He used to show his album to the boys. सुबह पहली घंटी के बजने तक सभी लड़के नागराजन को घेर कर एल्बम देखा करते. All the boys, they gathered around Nagarajan and enjoyed looking at the album before the school bell in the morning. आधी छुट्टी के वक्त भी उसके आसपास लड़कों का जमघट लगा रहता. And even during the lunch break, the boys hovered around him to look at the album. कई लोग टोलियों में उसके घर तक हो आए. The boys, they even visited his house in batches to enjoy the beauty of the album. नागराजन शांतिपूर्वक सभी को अपना एल्बम दिखाता, पर किसी को हाथ नहीं लगाने देता. Nagarajan was so patient while showing his album to the boys. There was only one condition, that no one must touch his album. एल्बम को गोद में रख लेता और एक एक पन्ना पलटता. लड़के बस देखकर खुश होते. He opened it out on his lap and turned over the pages himself one by one, and everyone would gaze to their fill. और तो और कक्षा की लड़कियां भी उस एल्बम को देखने के लिए उत्सुक थीं. Even the girls in his class were excited about the album. They wanted to see it. पार्वती लड़कियों की अगुआ बनी और एल्बम मांगने गई. लड़कियों में वही तेज तर्रार मानी जाती थी. Parvati approached Nagarajan on behalf of all the girls for the album because she was considered the boldest among the girls. नागराजन ने कवर चढ़ाकर एल्बम उसे दे दिया. And Nagarajan, he covered his album and handed it over to Parvati. शाम तक लड़कियां एल्बम देखती रहीं, फिर उसे वापस कर दिया. Now the girls, they enjoyed the beauty of the album till evening and then returned it to him. अब राजप्पा के एल्बम को कोई पूछने वाला नहीं था. वाकई उसकी शान अब घट गई थी. Now no one talked about Rajappa's album anymore. His fame has indeed diminished. राजप्पा के एल्बम की लड़कों में काफी तारीफ रही थी. Rajappa's album was famous in the student circle. He was popular because of his album before. मधुमक्खी की तरह उसने एक एक करके टिकट जमा किए थे. Here the author is comparing the way he collects ticket to that of honeybee. Just as a honeybee collects nectar from each flower to make honey, similarly Rajappa used to collect tickets from each boy from different places to make his collection of stamps. He had taken a great effort to make his stamp album. उसे तो बस एक यही धुन सवार थी, and he was not interested in anything else other than ticket collection. सुबह 8 बजे वह घर से निकल पड़ता. टिकट जमा करने वाले सारे लड़कों के चक्कर लगाता. And he would leave home early in the morning. By 8 o'clock, he would visit all the friends who used to collect stamps. 2 ऑस्ट्रेलिया के टिकटों के बदले एक फिनलैंड का टिकट लेता, 2 पाकिस्तान के बदले एक रूस का. And he would barter 2 Australia tickets for 1 Finland, 2 Pakistan tickets for 1 Russia, and so on. बस शाम जैसे ही घर लौटता, बस्ता कोने में पटक कर अम्मा से चबेना लेकर निक्कर की जेब में भर लेता और खड़े खड़े कॉफी पीकर निकल जाता. As soon as he would come back from school, throw the books at a corner, take some snacks, fill it up in his pocket, drink coffee and start again. 4 मील दूर अपने दोस्त के घर से कनाडा का टिकट लेने पगडंडियों से होकर भागता. And he would run across the field 4 miles away just to collect a ticket of Canada. स्कूल भर में उसका एल्बम सबसे बड़ा था. राजप्पा's ticket album was the biggest in the whole school. सरपंच के लड़के ने उसके एल्बम को 25 रुपए में खरीदना चाहा था, पर राजप्पा नहीं माना. सरपंच is the head of the village. His son wanted to buy Rajappa's album for 25 rupees. But Rajappa did not give. घमंडी कहीं का. राजप्पा बड़बड़ाया था. फिर उसने तीखा जवाब दिया था, at which Rajappa had given him a very hot, very sharp reply. He said, "So arrogant you are! तुम्हारे घर में जो प्यारी बच्ची है ना, उसे दे दो ना 30 रुपए में." And he said, "Are you ready to give that lovely baby at your home for 30 rupees to me?" सारे लड़के ठहाका मार कर हंस पड़े थे. At this reply of Rajappa, the boys cheered. They started laughing and clapping and whistling. So such was the demand of Rajappa's album at school before. पर अब कोई उसके एल्बम की बात तक नहीं करता. But now there is no talk of his album anymore. और तो और अब सब उसके एल्बम की तुलना नागराजन के एल्बम से करने लगे हैं. And the worst part was that the boys had started comparing the two albums. सब कहते हैं राजप्पा का एल्बम फिसड्डी है. And the boys had declared that Nagarajan's album is the best. Rajappa's album is fisaddi, waste. पर राजप्पा ने नागराजन के एल्बम को देखने की इच्छा कभी नहीं प्रकट की. In spite of his love for stamps and stamp collection, Rajappa never expressed a wish to have a look at Nagarajan's album. लेकिन जब दूसरे लड़के उसे देख रहे होते तो वह नीची आंखों से देख लेता. But when the other boys were watching it, he looked at it from the corner of his eye, pretending as if he was not looking at it. सचमुच नागराजन का एल्बम बेहद प्यारा था. And in fact, that album was really beautiful. पर राजप्पा के पास जितने टिकट थे उतने नागराजन के एल्बम में नहीं थे. But he noticed one thing. The rare stamps that he had was not there in Nagarajan's album. पर खुद उसका एल्बम ही कितना प्यारा था. उसे छू लेना ही कोई बड़ी बात थी. But the album was breathtakingly beautiful. Just touching it, even holding it in the hand was a proud thing. इस तरह का एल्बम यहाँ थोड़ी मिलेगा. You can't get such a beautiful album here in this town. एल्बम के पहले पृष्ठ पर मोती जैसे अक्षरों में उसके मामा ने लिख भेजा था A.M. Nagarajan. And on the front page of the album, his uncle, Nagarajan's uncle, who gifted this album to Nagarajan, had written his name in bold letters, A.M. Nagarajan. Following were the words written on the front page of Nagarajan's album. A.M. Nagarajan. इस एल्बम को चुराने वाला बेशर्म है. Whoever steals this album is shameless. ऊपर लिखे नाम को कभी देखा है? Look at the name written on the top. यह एल्बम मेरा है. This album is mine. जब तक घास हरी है और कमल लाल, till the grass is green and the lotus is red. सूरज जब तक पूर्व से उगे और पश्चिम में छिपे, till the sun dawns from the east and sets in the west. उस अनंत काल तक के लिए यह एल्बम मेरा है और रहेगा. Till that endless period of time, this album will be mine. लड़कों ने इसे अपने एल्बम में उतार लिया. लड़कियों ने झट कॉपियों और किताबों में टीप लिया. Now the boys and girls were so impressed by this dialogue that they started copying it down into their albums and notebooks. Rajappa could not resist this. तुम लोग ये नकल क्यों करते हो? नकलची कहीं के? राजप्पा ने लड़कों को घुटकी दी. Rajappa shouted at them. Why do you guys want to copy from him? You copycats, he said. सब चुप रहे. Everyone was quiet. पर कृष्णन से नहीं रहा गया. But Krishnan could not take it. He replied, जा जा, जलता है, ईर्ष्यालु कहीं का. Go away, you jealous fellow. Krishnan said, मैं काहे को जलूं? जले तेरा खानदान. And Rajappa said, why should I be jealous? Your whole family is jealous. मेरा एल्बम उसके एल्बम से कहीं बड़ा है. My album is much more bigger than his album. राजप्पा ने शान बखारी. He boasted about his album. अरे उसके पास जो टिकटें हैं वो हैं कहीं तेरे पास? सब क्यों? बस एक इंडोनेशिया का टिकट दिखा दो. अरे पानी भरोगे? हाँ, कृष्णन ने छेड़ा. Krishnan asked him, have you got just one stamp? Nagarajan has got. Only the Indonesia stamp? Show me one beautiful stamp from your album. पर मेरे पास जो टिकट है वो कहाँ है उसके पास? राजप्पा ने फिर ललकारा. But he does not have the stamps that I have, Rajappa replied. उसके पास जो टिकट है वही दिखा दो. कृष्णन भी कम नहीं था. Okay, show us one stamp that he has got. Come on, Krishnan said. ठीक है, 10 रुपए की शर्त. मेरे वाले टिकट दिखा दो. Okay, 10 rupees bet. Let him show the stamps that I have. Rajappa gave an open challenge. तुम्हारा एल्बम कूड़ा है, कृष्णन चीखा. हाँ हाँ कूड़ा. लड़के जैसे कोरस गाने लगे. At which Krishnan shouted at Rajappa. He said, "Your album is a trash. It's waste." And all the boys started singing a chorus. They started mocking at Rajappa. राजप्पा को लगा अपने एल्बम के बारे में बातें करना फालतू है. राजप्पा understood that there is no point in talking about his album anymore. उसने कितनी मेहनत और लगन से टिकट बटोरे हैं. His ticket album was a result of his hard work, his effort. सिंगापुर से आए इस एक पार्सल ने नागराजन को एक ही दिन में मशहूर कर दिया. पर दोनों में कितना अंतर है, ये लड़के क्या समझेंगे. An album from Singapore has made Nagarajan famous overnight. And these boys will never understand the difference between the two, even if he explains. Rajappa मन ही मन कुढ़ रहा था. And Rajappa was now feeling jealous within. स्कूल जाना अब खलने लगा था. He was not even keen to go to school. और लड़कों के सामने जाने में शर्म आने लगी थी. He was feeling ashamed to face his friends. आमतौर पर शनिवार और रविवार को टिकट की खोज में लगा रहता, परंतु अब घर घुसा हो गया था. Normally on Saturdays and Sundays he would go out in search of stamps for hours. But now he is confined at home. दिन में कई बार एल्बम को पलटता रहता, रात को लेट जाता, सहसा जाने क्या सोचकर उठता, ट्रंक खोलकर एल्बम निकालता, एक बार पूरा देख जाता. In his daytime, every day he would look at his album hundreds of times. Even after going to bed, suddenly he would get up, go to his trunk, open it, take the album out, and look at it for some time, and come back to his bed. उसे एल्बम से चिढ़ होने लगी थी. Now he was getting irritated to see this album. उसे लगा एल्बम वाकई कूड़ा हो गया है. And he thought, the boys are right. Compared to Nagarajan's album, my album is just a bunch of papers. It's really a trash. उस दिन शाम जैसे उसने तय कर लिया था, वह नागराजन के घर गया. That evening, as if he had decided to do something, he had come to a conclusion. He went to Nagarajan's house. अब कोई कितना अपमान सहे, he thought that he cannot take this insult anymore. नागराजन के हाथ अचानक एक एल्बम लगा है, बस यही ना. Suddenly an album has appeared in Nagarajan's hands. That's it. Not a big deal. वो क्या जाने टिकट कैसे जमा किए जाते हैं. How would he know? How would he know the tricks of collecting stamps? एक एक टिकट की क्या कीमत होती है, वो भला क्या समझे. सोचता होगा टिकट जितना बड़ा होगा वह उतना ही कीमती होगा, या फिर सोचता होगा बड़े देश का टिकट कीमती होगा. वो भला क्या समझे. He would not know the value of each stamp. He would be thinking that only the big stamp is of greater value, or he may be thinking that bigger the country, more the value of stamps. He is an amateur in the field of ticket collection. Rajappa is here with a definite plan. उसके पास जितने भी फालतू टिकट हैं उन्हें टरका कर उससे अच्छे टिकट झाड़ लेगा. And Rajappa thought that he can exchange some of his useless stamps for some good stamps from Nagarajan. कितनों को तो उसने यूं ही उल्लू बनाया है, कितनी चालबाजी करनी पड़ती है. And he was thinking that he has tricked so many people in this way. There are some tricks in this trade, and he is a master in that, whereas Nagarajan is just an amateur. नागराजन भला किस खेत की मूली है. He thought Nagarajan can be easily fooled. राजप्पा नागराजन के घर पहुंचकर ऊपर गया. Now Rajappa reached Nagarajan's house and he went upstairs. क्योंकि वह अक्सर आया जाया करता था, तो किसी ने उसे नहीं टोका. No one said anything, no one objected because he was a usual visitor. ऊपर पहुंचकर वह नागराजन की मेज के पास पड़ी कुर्सी पर बैठ गया. And he sat on Nagarajan's desk. कुछ देर बाद नागराजन की बहन कामाक्षी ऊपर गई. After some time, Nagarajan's sister Kamakshi appeared there. भैया शहर गया है. Now Kamakshi said, my brother is not here. He has gone to town for some urgent work. अरे हाँ, तुमने भैया का एल्बम देखा? उसने पूछा. And Kamakshi asked, by the way, have you seen my brother's album? राजप्पा को हाँ कहने में हेकड़ी हो रही थी. Now Rajappa, who actually had not seen the album, was feeling arrogant to answer this question out of jealousy. He said, बहुत सुंदर एल्बम है ना? सुना है स्कूल भर में किसी के भी पास इतना बड़ा एल्बम नहीं है. Isn't that beautiful album? Seems like no one has such a big album in the whole school, Kamakshi said. तुमसे किसने कहा? And then Rajappa asked, who told you? भैया ने. My brother. वह कुड़ गया. Rajappa was so jealous. He said, बड़े से क्या मतलब हुआ? आकार में बड़ा हुआ तो एल्बम बड़ा हो गया? उसकी चिड़चिड़ाहट साफ थी. And he replied that, what do you mean by big album? Size does not decide how big the album is. Rajappa replied. कामाक्षी कुछ देर तक वहीं रही, फिर नीचे चली गई. कामाक्षी was there for some time and then she left. राजप्पा मेज पर बिखरी किताबों को टटोलने लगा. And Rajappa was looking at the books on the table. अचानक उसका हाथ दराज के ताले से टकरा गया. Suddenly his hand struck the lock of the table drawer. उसने ताले को खींच कर देखा. He just pulled the lock to see if it was really locked. बंद था. Yes, it was. क्यों ना उसे खोल कर देख लिया जाए? He thought, how about opening it? मेज पर से उसने चाबी ढूंढ निकाली. And then he looked for the keys. He found the keys on the table. सीढ़ियों के पास जाकर उसने एक बार झांक कर देखा. Then he went near the stairs to look if anyone was around. फिर जल्दी से दराज खोली. एल्बम ऊपर ही रखा हुआ था. Then he took the key and opened the lock. He could see the album on top of the drawer. पहला पृष्ठ खोला. He picked it up and read what was written on the first page. उन वाक्यों को उसने दोबारा पढ़ा. उसका दिल तेजी से धड़कने लगा. He read those words again which was written on the first page. His heart was pumping hard. In a flash, you know what he did? एल्बम को झट कमीज के नीचे खोस लिया और दराज बंद कर दिया. सीढ़ियां उतरकर घर की ओर भागा. In a flash, he inserted the album under his shirt, inside the shorts. He locked the drawer, looked around, and ran to his house. घर जाकर सीधा पुस्तक की अलमारी के पास गया और पीछे की ओर एल्बम छिपा दिया. As soon as he reached home, he hid the album behind the bookshelf. उसने बाहर आकर झांका. And then he came out and checked around. पूरा शरीर जैसे जलने लगा था. He was feeling hot and feverish all over. गला सूख रहा था. His throat ran dry और चेहरा तमतमाने लगा था. And his face had turned red. रात 8 बजे अप्पू आया. At 8 in the night, Appu, another boy, their friend, came home. हाथ पांव हिलाकर उसने पूरी बात कह सुनाई. And using all the possible gestures with hands and legs, Appu is explaining the whole matter to Rajappa now. सुना तुमने? You know what? नागराजन का एल्बम खो गया. नागराजन्स एल्बम is lost. It's not to be found. हम दोनों शहर गए हुए थे. We had gone to the town. लौट कर देखा तो एल्बम गायब. And when we came back, the album has just vanished. राजप्पा चुप रहा. उसने अप्पू को किसी तरह टाला. राजप्पा could not say anything. He just wanted Appu to go. उसके जाते ही उसने झट कमरे का दरवाजा भिड़ा लिया और अलमारी के पीछे से एल्बम निकाल कर देखा. Now, as soon as Appu left, He went back inside and locked the door. He took the album from the shelf and he looked at it once again, hid it again. उसे फिर छिपा दिया. डर था कहीं कोई देख न ले. He was worried that someone might see him. रात में खाना नहीं खाया, पेट जैसे भरा हुआ था. He could not eat his dinner. His stomach got heavy. सारा घर चिंतित हो गया and everyone at home was worried at this behavior of Rajappa. उसका चेहरा भयानक हो गया था and his face was looking horrible. रात उसने सोने की कोशिश की पर नींद नहीं आई. He thought he would go and sleep, but he could not even sleep properly. He was scared that he would be caught, someone might see him. So what he did, he picked up the album, he kept it under his pillow and then he slept for some time. Album सिरहाने तकिए के नीचे रख कर बस सो गया. सुबह अप्पू दोबारा आया. Now in the morning, Appu came again. राजप्पा तब भी बिस्तर पर बैठा था and even then Rajappa was sitting on his bed. He could not sleep properly at night. अप्पू सुबह नागराजन के घर होकर आया था and Appu had been to Nagarajan's house before coming here. कल तुम उसके घर गए थे? अप्पू ने पूछा and Appu asked Rajappa, have you been to Nagarajan's house yesterday? Appu asked. राजप्पा की सांस जैसे ऊपर की ऊपर और नीचे की नीचे रह गई. राजप्पा stomach turned. He was like, फिर सिर हिला दिया. Then he nodded his head. वो जिस तरह चाहे सोच ले. He wanted Appu to take it as a suitable answer. He had nothing to say. कामाक्षी ने कहा था कि हमारे जाने के बाद खाली तुम वहां आए थे. अप्पू बोला. Now, Appu said, Kamakshi told us that after we went to town, only you went to his house. राजप्पा को समझते देर नहीं लगी कि अब सब उस पर शक करने लगे हैं and राजप्पा realized that everyone is suspecting him. कल रात से नागराजन लगातार रोए जा रहा है. उसके पापा शायद पुलिस को खबर कर दें. अप्पू ने फिर कहा and then Appu added, you know, Nagarajan has been crying since yesterday night and his father, he might inform the police. राजप्पा फिर भी चुप रहा. राजप्पा still he did not answer. उसके पापा डीएसपी के दफ्तर में ही तो काम करते हैं. बस वो पलक झपक दें और पुलिस की फौज हाजिर. You know, his father is working in DSP's office. He can bring the entire police force within no time, Appu added. अप्पू जैसे आग में घी डाल रहा था. अप्पू was adding fuel to the fire. ये तो भला हुआ कि अप्पू का भाई उसे ढूंढता हुआ आ गया और अप्पू चलता बना. Fortunately, Appu's brother came by and he took him away. राजप्पा के पापा दफ्तर चले गए थे. राजप्पा's father had left for his office. बाहर का किवाड़ बंद था. The main door was locked. राजप्पा अभी तक बिस्तर पर बैठा हुआ था. आधा घंटा गुजर गया और वह उसी तरह बैठा रहा. And Rajappa was still on his bed. Half an hour passed by and still Rajappa is on his bed without doing anything. तभी बाहर की सांकल खटकी. Suddenly he heard a knock on the door. Police! Rajappa बुदबुदाया. Rajappa was shocked. It was police, he thought. भीतर सांकल लगी थी. The door was locked inside. दरवाजा खटकने की आवाज तेज हो गई. राजप्पा ने तकिए के नीचे से एल्बम उठाया और ऊपर भागा. राजप्पा picked up the album and ran upstairs. अलमारी के पीछे छिपा दे. नहीं 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 नहीं. He thought, how about hiding the album again behind the shelf? Then he thought, no 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 no. पुलिस ने अगर तलाशी ली तो पकड़ा जाएगा. He realized that he would be caught if the house is searched. एल्बम को कमीज के नीचे छिपाकर वह नीचे आया. And then he picked up the album, stuffed it under his shirt and ran downstairs. बाहर का दरवाजा अब भी बज रहा था. The knock on the door was continuing. कौन है? अरे दरवाजा क्यों नहीं खोलता? अम्मा भीतर से चिल्लाई. His mom shouted, look who is at the door. Why are you not opening the door? थोड़ी देर और हुई तो अम्मा खुद ही उठकर चली आएंगी। Now Rajappa felt his mom would open the door eventually. राजप्पा पिछवाड़े की ओर भागा, जल्दी से बाथरूम में घुसकर दरवाजा बंद कर लिया। राजप्पा ran to the bathroom and locked the door. अम्मा ने अंगीठी पर गर्म पानी की देगची चढ़ा रखी थी। अम्मा had placed the देगची, that is the big utensil, to boil water on top of the brazier. उसने एल्बम को अंगीठी में डाल दिया। The fire was on and he threw the album into the stove. एल्बम जलने लगा and the album burned in seconds. कितने प्यारे टिकट थे। राजप्पा की आंखों में आंसू आ गए। Such beautiful albums, such pretty stamps, rare stamps. It was all burning. Tears rolled from Rajappa's eyes. तभी अम्मा की आवाज आई। Just then he could hear his mom calling out for him. जल्दी से आ तो नहा कर, नागराजन तुझे ढूंढता हुआ आया है। अम्मा was saying, Rajappa, finish your bath and come fast. नागराजन is waiting for you. राजप्पा ने निक्कर उतार दी और गीला तौलिया लपेटकर बाहर आ गया। राजप्पा quickly removed his knicker, his shorts, wrapped himself with a wet towel, pretending as if he was taking bath, and then he came out. कपड़े बदल कर वह ऊपर गया. He changed his clothes and then he went up. नागराजन कुर्सी पर बैठा हुआ था. नागराजन was sitting on the chair. उसे देखते ही बोला. The moment Nagarajan saw his friend Rajappa, he broke down. He said, मेरा एल्बम खो गया यार. My album is lost, in a very heavy voice. उसका चेहरा उतरा हुआ था. He was looking so sad and dull. काफी रो कर आया था शायद. And his eyes told him that how much he might have cried. कहाँ रखा था तुमने? राजप्पा ने पूछा. Where did you keep it? राजप्पा asked as if he knew nothing. शायद दराज में. शहर से लौटा तो गायब. I remember keeping it inside the drawer, I don't know, and when I returned from town, it was not there. नागराजन की आंखों में आंसू आ गए and tears were flowing from नागराजन's eyes. राजप्पा से चेहरा बचाकर उसने आंखें पोंछ ली. He turned his face away from Rajappa and wiped off his tears. Now when Rajappa saw his friend crying, he tried to console him. He said, रो मत यार. राजप्पा ने उसे पुचकारा. वह फफक फफक कर रो दिया. And when don't cry, when Rajappa tried to console him, Nagarajan started crying more. Now when Rajappa saw his friend crying because of him, he did not think for a moment. राजप्पा झट नीचे उतर गया और 1 मिनट में वह ऊपर नागराजन के सामने था. उसके हाथ में उसका अपना एल्बम था. राजप्पा went down and came back in a minute, and this time he was holding his own album in his hands. लो, ये रहा मेरा एल्बम. अब इसे तुम रख लो. ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हो? मजाक नहीं कर रहा. सच कहता हूं. इसे अब तुम रख लो. नागराजन, look here. Rajappa said, this is my album. You keep it. This is for you. Don't look at me like that. It's not a joke. This is for you. Please keep it, he said. Now Nagarajan is quite shocked. He asked, बहला रहे हो यार? नागराजन को जैसे यकीन नहीं आया. He asked, are you serious? नहीं यार, सचमुच तुमको दे रहा हूं. रख लो. Rajappa said, no dear, I'm giving it to you. Promise, it's for you. Keep it. राजप्पा भला अपना एल्बम उसे दे दे? कैसा चमत्कार है? Is it possible that Rajappa is ready to part with his album? Can it happen? Nagarajan could not believe it. नागराजन को अब भी यकीन नहीं आ रहा था, पर राजप्पा अपनी बात बार बार दोहरा रहा था और उसका गला भर आया. पर राजप्पा, he kept on repeating. His tone was becoming heavy. ठीक है, मैं इसे रख लेता हूँ, पर तुम क्या करोगे? तो नागराजन said, okay, if you're giving it to me, fine, I'll keep it, but what will you do? मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't want it, he said. क्यों? तुम्हें एक भी टिकट नहीं चाहिए? You don't want even a single stamp? नागराजन asked. नहीं, no, राजप्पा said. पर तुम कैसे रहोगे बगैर किसी टिकट के? But how will you live without your stamps? asked Nagarajan. रोता क्यों है यार? At this, Rajappa started crying. And Nagarajan asked, why are you crying? You don't have to give me your album. ले ये एल्बम तू ही रख ले. इतनी मेहनत की है तूने. नागराजन बोला. Nagarajan said, no, no, Rajappa. You don't have to cry. Don't give me your album. You have taken so much effort to collect all this. I know it. नहीं, तुम रख लो. लेकर चले जाओ. No, you keep it. Let it be with you. Take it and go away. Go home now. जाओ, चले जाओ यहाँ से. वह चीखा और फूट फूट कर रो दिया. Now Rajappa's tone had become heavy and quite aggressive now. He said, Nagarajan, go away. Rajappa shouted and started crying. नागराजन की समझ में कुछ नहीं आया. नागराजन could not understand anything. वह एल्बम लेकर नीचे उतर गया. He just took the album and came down. कमीज से आंखें पोंछता हुआ राजप्पा भी नीचे उतर आया. Rajappa wiped his tears with his shirt and followed Nagarajan. दोनों साथ साथ दरवाजे तक आए and both came near the main door. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं घर चलूं? नागराजन सीढ़ियां उतरने लगा. Nagarajan was very happy. He said, thanks a lot for giving me your album. Shall I go home now? asked Nagarajan as he began to get down the steps. सुनो राजू, राजप्पा ने पुकारा. Rajappa called him back. नागराजन ने पलट कर देखा. नागराजन turned. एल्बम दे दो. मैं आज रात जी भर कर इसे देखना चाहता हूं. कल सुबह तुम्हें दे जाऊंगा. And he said, give me the album. I will see the entire album tonight and give it back tomorrow morning, said Rajappa. ठीक है. नागराजन ने उसे एल्बम लौटा दी और चला गया. Okay, said Nagarajan. He handed over the album to Rajappa and left. राजप्पा ऊपर आया. उसने दरवाजा बंद कर लिया और एल्बम को छाती से लगाकर फूट फूट कर रो दिया. Rajappa went upstairs, closed the door. He hugged his album, holding close to his chest, and started crying heavily. So that was Rajappa's way of saying sorry to Nagarajan. He decided to part with his dearest album to correct his mistake. A beautiful story by Sundara Ramaswamy. बच्चों, हमें अपने मित्रों से जलना नहीं चाहिए. We should never feel jealous of others. Even if your friend is achieving more than you without much effort, you don't have to feel bad about it. दूसरों से अपनी वस्तुओं की तुलना मत कीजिए. Do not compare yourself, your abilities with others. You are unique. Believe in yourself. क्रोध और ईर्ष्या जैसी नकारात्मक भावनाओं को अपने मन में आने ही मत दीजिए. Never let anger and jealousy creep into your mind. Never be ruled by such emotions. They lead to guilt and repentance. This is what Ticket album conveys. Believe in yourself. Feel good about your abilities. Let's do a quick revision. नागराजन के मामा ने एल्बम कहाँ से भेजा था? Where did Nagarajan's uncle send the album from? लेखक ने राजप्पा के टिकट इकट्ठा करने की तुलना किससे की है? To what does the author compare the way Rajappa collects tickets? सरपंच के लड़के ने राजप्पा का एल्बम कितने रुपए में खरीदना चाहा था? For how much rupees did the boy of Sarpanch want to buy Rajappa's album? नागराजन की बहन का क्या नाम था? What was Nagarajan's sister's name? नागराजन के पापा किसके दफ्तर में काम करते थे? In whose office did Nagarajan's father work? राजप्पा ने एल्बम किस में डाल दिया? And where did Rajappa put in Nagarajan's album? A true confidence has no room for jealousy. When you know you are great, you have no reason to hate. So that was Ticket Album. Hope you liked the explanation. See you again in the next video with a new lesson.